Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to another video. Today I will be solving yet another simultaneous equation using substitution method. So let us begin. The first, and so the question we have to hear today is question number 4, which is xy is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2x plus 2. So since I don't no one wants to deal with having a variable as a division or as a fraction, we're going to be placing this right here, this equation into the place of y in the other equation. Let us begin. X times 2x plus 2 is equal to 4. 2x squared plus 2x if I open the bracket, and this number we're going to bring to the other side as minus 4. So we will have the equation of minus 4 is equal to 0. Now you see here that 2 is common in all of these. So we're going to be taking 2 common. X squared plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Since it is as 2 is multiplying here, we're going to be shifting it to the other side of the equation. So 0 divided by 2 is 0. Right. Let's move on to a new page. So we now have the equation of x squared plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. If we middle term break this, we need the answer when multiplied, when added to be, when summed up to be minus 2, and when multiplied, we need it to be minus 2 as well. When summed up, sorry, we need it to be plus 1, and when multiplied, we need it to be minus 2. So I have found the answer for this. X squared plus 2x minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we're going to take x common in the first half. So we see here x is common and here plus minus 1 is common, since we want to make two brackets the same. X plus 2 minus 1 x plus 2. We will be writing this and this as a single bracket. So we will have x minus 1 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. We're going to be separating this. X minus 1 is equal to 0, which is x is equal to 1. X plus 2, sorry, let me just make the x better. X plus 2 is equal to 0, which is x is equal to minus 2. Now the original equation we had, we're going to put the values of x in it. So y is equal to 2x plus 2. Y is equal to 2 into 1 plus 2. So y is equal to 2 plus 2, which is obviously 4. So we have 1 comma 4 as one part of the equation, and y is equal to 2 into minus 2 plus 2. Y is equal to minus 4 plus 2, which is equal to y is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 comma minus 2. Hope you guys found this video informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.